Got the bridge controls turned on this morning out here on the wing. Alright, good morning everybody. We are day 3 on board the Disney Wonder. Today we're going to Cozumel. Super early still, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Sun is just starting to come up. As you can see, the ship is still a little dark. You can see it behind me back here. Super quiet this morning. But we're gonna head over, get some breakfast. That way we can be ready for our shore excursion at 10:15. What you think, baby?
I can't wait.
All right, so we'll have lots to show you guys from today as we go along. But right now, we gotta go get some food. Watermelon, some honeydew, and some cantaloupe, please. So they have fresh fruits. You can get cereal, milk.
And that's going to be it over here.
How's your breakfast, baby?
So far, so good.
So far, so good?
Yes.
All right. You see, this is definitely not crowded in here again this morning. It has not been crowded on this ship anywhere since we've been on board. Mexico just off there in the distance, right there at the edge of the horizon. Disney takes their Mickey Mouse symbols very, very seriously. As you can see, there is one up there even on the bow of the ship. Got yourself a little Mickey right there on the front. So it looks like there's at least 2 other cruise ships in port over there this morning. One's in port and one's heading in. Well, we are approaching Cozumel, Mexico now. Should be there shortly. So we have 5 other cruise ships with us in port today. Got 2 Royal Caribbeans and 2 Carnivals down over there. And then right here next to us, we're going to have the Celebrity Apex. So that's going to put a total of 6 cruise ships, including us, in Cozumel today. All right, so we are heading out of Cozumel right now. And Cozumel is great. Cozumel is always great. People are always great. Might be a little loud right here. But I'm not gonna lie, I was really disappointed with that shore excursion. Not happy with that one, but that's all right. Our day is not over yet. It is pirate night here on the ship. So we're gonna be participating in a pirate show here in a little bit. There's going to be fireworks. We still have dinner. So still lots of fun stuff to do here on the ship today. But we're just not going to let the excursion get us down. Is that us? All right, I thought we might get a horn battle going, but Celebrity, they won't play with us today. You waving to everybody, baby?
Yes.
Everybody's waving bye from Celebrity Apex.
Tell them blow the horn now.
See the bridges.
That's an area where you can
Above the bridge.
go. Yeah.
Right now it's just about past the 5 o'clock mark, so I can tell you that we've got live music happening in the French Quarter Lounge for the families, and that's started at 5. We'll be happening again at 6:30 later on this evening at 9:45 with Roxy in French Quarter. Of course, we're going to have some fun as well with our Pirates Trivia. That's coming up later on as well, and we've got our theme night of Pirates Life for Me. This will be happening after your dinners at 9:15, and this will be in the lounge, the family lounge. All the fun. We're going to miss out on that. We have some service coming your way there later on this evening as well. Of course, we got some movies going up in the waiting. And then, yes, at 5:30, we got in the Walt Disney Theater. A lot of fun. It is Taylor Mason, the Brewers, and comedian. Do not miss out on this fun show. We missed on the first night. Well, this is your opportunity to see a fun show, not to be missed for the families. Walt Disney Theater, doors are open right now. The show will start at 5:30.
Hello, welcome. Welcome to Disney Trivia. It'll be starting at 5:30, so in about 10 minutes. Okay, beautiful. So if you want to grab a seat.
All right, the drink of the day is right here. This is the Sunken Treasure. We're gonna try this one here.
Yes, for those of you that have just joined us, don't forget, please come on in and pick up a sheet of paper and a pencil.
Alright, Tiffany said no. Really just tastes like pineapple juice, but she didn't like it.
Oh my god, right. Ooh. Where's it gonna? Oh. Okay, we might be going for a minute. No.
Oh, you're making her blush.
Alright, don't give up. It's the time.
Wait!
You need to turn your letter.
I've got to pee.
You're gonna pee. We're gonna pee too.
Here, my captain, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. We're very dirty. We're very sorry, Captain. It's all his fault. No, I'm not walking this line. Get up there, you. All right, everybody. Captain Hook has come to say hello. So, would everybody here like to start PFC with Captain Hook? Well, if you do, stay in your seat. We will come and get you row by row. You need to keep your facial coverings on, and you can get yourself the FC. We're Captain